So was Donald Trump for the Iraq War or against it?
He was a private citizen who was against the Iraq War. You heard him with Howard Stern say, yeah, I guess so. Had he been in the United States Senate, he would have casted a vote against the Iraq War.
How do we know that?
Because he said so. The same thing that Senator Obama said he would have done in 2008, and everybody just took him at his word.
But the point is, as you know, he constantly says, I was always against the war. Here he says, I guess I would support it. That's a contradiction.
Not really, Charlie, and here's why. He's on a radio show. Hillary Clinton went into the well of the United States Senate representing this state of New York and cast a vote in favor of the Iraq War.
But this is not about Hillary Clinton, it's about Donald Trump and what he said, because she has acknowledged that vote and acknowledged it was a mistake. He has not, and he wants to have it both ways.
He has acknowledged that her vote in the Iraq War was a mistake. He agrees with her that it was a mistake.
No. Acknowledged that at one point he said he was for the war. And why can't he simply say that? At one point I was, and then I changed my mind.
Because there are other public statements that he made contemporaneously with that, including the Esquire magazine interview where he gives a much longer answer about why he thinks it was a bad idea. And he's very clear now about how it did not work. It was a disaster. And it cost thousands of American lives. It cost trillions of dollars to this country. And most Americans agree with him. This is a contrast choice election. I think the choice on who was there voting for the Iraq War and causing our men and women to go over there and agreeing with the Bush view of going to war was Hillary Clinton. She was in the United States Senate.
Kellyanne, let me